Happy whatever day it is, you guys. Anyways, I am out tonight. We're going shopping. I am looking for a coat. Okay, yes, we're doing Christmas shopping too. But one of the people we're shopping for just happens to be me. I'm looking for a coat, you guys. I do not have a black coat. So I'm looking for a black coat. I don't know if I like this light or not. Let me see. I don't know. Okay, forgive the road being bumpy. Okay, forgive the road being bumpy. But we are gonna go check out. I have coats. Let's be clear. I was in Chicago. The coats that I have are just a tad bit too heavy for LA, you know, every day. It doesn't get that cold here. So I need something a little bit more trendy, a little bit more, you know, a different type of coat. So that's what I'm on a mission for, looking for tonight. We're probably going to grab some dinner after, and then we are probably going to head somewhere. There's a rooftop lounge. If it's too cold, we're probably not going to go up there. We're debating. He wants to go to Rock Sugar. Oh, excuse, what is this man telling us?
Direct traffic because the mall's so crowded.
Oh yeah, the mall's very crowded.
I want Rock Sugar.
I do not want Rock Sugar. I've never been there before, and I'm not in the mood to experiment. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just want to go where you know, like babe. Cheers, where everybody knows your name. I don't know about that.
Trust me.
I know, but I don't know. Anyhow, so you guys will come with us to dinner, so you'll see where we end up at.
Del Frisco's.
Del Frisco's might be nice. I can go for. I'm not really supposed to be eating red meat right now.
Get chicken.
I don't want to have chicken.
Fish.
I don't do seafood.
Well, I know.
Sean, don't start, okay? Because this is a vlog. Do not bring your stuff over here. Do not. Okay? I don't know how old people are watching. Okay? We're editing that out, the video, completely. Anyhow, I'm not putting that in the video. I can't.
Just recommended.
Anyway, so that's what the evening is holding tonight. They do have a Nordstrom's here. They do have a Bloomingdale, a Saks Fifth. There's all my favorite stores here. So possibly I might stop in and smell some fragrance. Of course, you already know that I'm going to bring you. I actually want to smell Delina Exclusive. I think that's what it's called. I've been hearing a lot about that, so I want to try that. Could that thing be any louder? And I think that's it. I'm just wearing this cute little shirt that I got from ZARA. If I'm able, you guys, look, I bought a mic, okay?
Hey, you're supposed to let other people tell you it's cute.
Oh, I know, but it is cute. Thank you. Right. I bought this cute shirt from ZARA, and it's a mock neck. You already know she loves a good mock neck. I don't know, I told you guys, I belong in Paris. The Parisian French, I love that. There's a word for it. I forgot the name of it, though. I forgot. Oh, I'll tell you one day when I remember, but right now I don't remember. But I got this cute shirt from ZARA. I'm wearing my Michael Kors watch. Absolutely love this big overface watch. I've had it for many, many years. My earrings I got at Forever 21. Am I making that up? Did I get those there? I think I did. Forever 21 is coming through really with the big chunky jewelry and the big oversized, overdone. Highlight is overpronounced. You already know. Nails are also glittered. We already know. Lip is red. I'm wearing a mixture of Ruby Woo from MAC, old school, okay, and Chanel. Bag tonight of choice is my Chanel Wallet Unchained. If I can get a full OOTD, I will. And I'll see you guys later. Here is my OOTT, whatever. What is it called again? OOTD. Yeah. I can't ever remember that, you guys. But this is that shirt I was telling you about at ZARA with the big bell sleeves. And then just my Chanel bag, jeans, and cute little booties that I picked up at the Nordstrom's rack. Now let's go and see what they have. I need this mirror so bad in my closet at home. Honestly, I do. Somebody was telling me to smell a ooh. I smell something from here. I already know what I'm looking for. is what I am here looking for, a reed diffuser, you guys, and I am looking for the rose one. It smells so amazing, especially, well, you can put it wherever you want in your home, but for me, I particularly like this in my bedroom. So hi, how are you? Do you have the rose one, the rose diffuser?
We do.
I will like to have that, please.
Okay, of course.
Thank you. And these are just amazing. The scent lasts and lasts. I have the room spray as well as the reed diffuser, and it is amazing. So if you like rose, you have to like rose. I will say that. This is what it looks like here. And the sticks are these black? I think they are. Are they just brown? I think they're black, but they're really, really good. So, and then a candle would just make your whole entire life. I'm serious. Everything smells amazing. All right, you guys, I found the coat, and it's still $149. Ugh, I should have just got it when it was only $79, but I missed it. So, but I do think I'm gonna get it. Let me show you the coat that I currently have, or the coats that I have are more like, hold on. The coats I have are more like this, and I just don't, you know, this is just not my style anymore. Like I said, I had a coat more like this when I was in Chicago, but I don't feel like it's that cold here, so I want something a little different. So I'm gonna peruse here and just see what I can find, and then I will let you guys know. But I really am leaning, this just goes with my lifestyle, you guys. It just does, you know what I mean? When things make sense, they just make sense, and for me, this just makes sense. So this is what the black one looks like, you guys. Is it super cute or what? I absolutely love it. I do. So this is, and this is a small. Maybe I should have got a small. My bag is in there, so you can see that. But this is what it looks like closed, or closed, I should say. And this is it. Oh my gosh. I think I have to have it, and I think I'm gonna get it in a small because I actually like this better. Let me bring you guys a little closer. Oh, that's like way up and close. Okay, so there it is there, a little bit better. So this is a small, because the medium they have, it looks like it's been tried on and somebody got makeup on it. So I think I could still rock a small. Oh, look at that heel height. I'm so proud of that heel. You guys have no idea. You know, she doesn't do a heel. Plus I'm walking around. I mean, to go to dinner I do, but not to be walking around. But this is cute. I'm feeling this. Ooh, yes. Okay. I'm gonna pay full price. It's coming home with me. All right, you guys, here is the fragrance. I am here to smell this fragrance just to see how it is, and I will let you know. There's two of them here, so I'm gonna smell both. I keep hearing a lot of things about them, so let's see. First one is a let's see the second one. It's okay. It doesn't catch my eye. But here's a gift set. If you're interested, you can take $25 off for every $150 you spend on all beauty. This is here at, am I at Bloomingdale's? Yeah, Bloomingdale's. This stuff smells really, really good, you guys. Really good. All right, let's see what we got. Hi, how are you? I'm well, thank you. No, I'm just looking to see what's hot, new, exciting, interesting stuff to share with my many subscribers on YouTube and different things like that.
I will share that Tiffany Love.
I did. Did you really? Have you guys had a chance to smell the Tiffany Love yet? I mean, it smells a lot to me. I mean, you know, like my stuff that I already have by Tiffany's, like Sheer and Intense, and then the regular one. But it is nice. If you have not got it, I will say it is definitely worth the whiff. So try it. If you have not gone into your local stores to try it, it is definitely worth a whiff. Oh, look at that. Remember, I found that at Marshall's. Shh. Okay. Hi, how are you? Fabulous. Thank you. Now this is another brand that I do want to try, the House of Sillage. Okay, just for the packaging alone, it's absolutely gorgeous. It is beautiful. I do have a few samples that I'll probably sample and share with you guys on the channel. Now remember, I did say, oh my gosh, I was telling you about Joy. I really didn't care for it, but that Jasmine Noir, if you're looking for a date night fragrance and you want something good, that is definitely a way to go. And this one here, the blue one, smells really amazing too. I really like that. I'm just going on the ones that I actually know, you guys. That Maman is good. Of course, we know Coco Chanel is good. Edie Parfum, I spoke about that one in a recent video. That's good. Chanel Chance is good. I mean, really a lot of great ones here. This one here, I will say, is really, really good. Very fresh, very clean. I really did enjoy this when I had a sample of it and I wore this. Now here I am actually here to smell the Parfums de Male because I did want to try that exclusive. So I'm going to look for that one and see. But we do see them all here. Of course, they have the one, you guys, will you look at that? Do you remember I showed you this in a video where I found that at the Marshalls again? Okay, remember? I showed you that under $100 video, so that was there. And then of course they have Joy. I talked about that on the in my vlog recently and just told you that it just didn't last on me. I just didn't really care for it that much. It wasn't great. Miss Dior is another one that's really nice. Jean Dior Classic. Packaging is beautiful as well. So tons of different things here. But let's go over to the House of Parfums de Male and let's smell these here because I've been wanting to see what they smell like. Well, I've smelled this one, I think, already. Hold on a second. Let's see. Cheraye. Yes, you guys. This reminds me so much of my Layered First Kiss. It really does. This is exclusive. It does. It smells like it. It's a beautiful bottle though. Beautiful packaging, beautiful bottle. Can't get away from that part right there. It's really nice. Let me see. And this is, yeah. It's really good. Oh my gosh, they smell really good. Okay. And then this is another one that I hear them talk about. I believe, I forget the name of it. This color one here. It's pretty good. Not so much. Not for me. I don't love that. So, absolutely not. But, okay. Good to know. That's what I wanted to try. That's what I wanted to smell. And I'm okay with what I have. Chanel Beige, there is my fave. Another one, you guys, is this one here. I think it's Cremondo. Amazing, amazing. Do I see any other one? Oh, look at that. 1957, amazing. I love Sycamore. Which other one? 22, I didn't love. It's okay, but I didn't. Boy is really good. I absolutely love Boy. But I love Beige. Beige has my heart. And, this one is one that's going to be coming home. Or is it at home? I mean, I don't know. Thank you so much. And then all these here. This is just big. I'm showing you now that this Reed Diffuser Rose is coming home with me. If you want your home to smell amazing, this is the perfect scent. Or I don't know. I mean, I like rose, so for me, it's perfect scent. And then look at this is exciting. She is. Hi. How long did you wait for two?
We're actually already committed for tonight. We're only offering the bar area, so we're already open.
I give you your birthday. What am I doing? How pretty is this background? Dinner was amazing. You guys, if I can eat that meal every single day, I would. And I better try and eat it because...
Why don't you tell them we didn't go to Rock Sugar?
Yeah, we didn't go to Rock Sugar.
We went to your favorite, Javier's.
We went to Javier's. How could you be that close to Javier's and not go? It's amazing. If you like Javier's, you don't even know what I'm talking about. Like, hit the like button. Everything is hit the like button. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, smash something. But yeah, it was really good. And I got the code. Look, I kind of paid full price for it. That's the only thing that bugs me. I did ask if it went on Christmas, if it went on sale after Christmas, if they would do a price adjustment. They looked at me like I was crazy, like, what? We don't do price adjustments. I was like, oh my God, look at my lips. Oh, I need to reapply. Oh, I need to reapply. But I'm heading home now. I don't know if I want to, I guess I should. Anyways, I have to wait till I get to a seat to reapply. But dinner was good, and now we're just heading home. I'm super excited, you guys. I got this set that I've been trying to get from Jo Malone, the scent Rose. I absolutely love it. I have the linen spray or the room spray, and now she told me that they discontinued it, so that's over. But she did give me a ton of samples of new stuff that they have and stuff that they have coming. And of course, Tom Ford was over there, so I stopped by Tom Ford and seen what they had. They have a new fragrance coming in the spring as well. You already paid for the parking? They have a new fragrance coming in the spring as well. And I was just like, oh my God, something new. He said that their #1 seller, what did he say? He said it was the bad word, right? Tom Ford Frickin' Fabulous was still the #1. He said he sold like 10 to 12 of those today. Why do I feel like I'm choking? Anyways, so yeah. Now heading home. So anyhow, I meant to tell you guys something. There is this one fragrance from Jo Malone called Mirth and Tonka. You guys, it is super uber good. It is definitely worth the whiff. I sprayed it on twice. It's a unisex fragrance. It's the one in the black bottle with the silver cap, so it's a little bit more expensive, but it's really good. I love tonka bean. You know, I love tonka bean, anything really, but this one's really good. It's called Mirth and Tonka, and I'm probably going to be doing a review on that next because it's really good. And the longevity, she told me, mark the time that you put it on and give yourself, you know, hours upon hours, and you're still going to be able to smell it. And so she sprayed it on my guy, and she sprayed it on me, and we both really like it. As I just got in the car, he goes, whatever that is that you have on, it smells amazing. Well, of course, I was in the store, I sprayed 1,000 things on, and then I sprayed multiple things on before I left the house, so who knows what I have on. But he goes, no, it's something that I've never smelled before. So the only thing that I have on that he hasn't smelled before, this is getting out of control, is Mirth and Tonka.
That's what like Tonka means.
So that's what it is, you guys. Mirth and Tonka. If you're in a Jo Malone near you, make sure you check that fragrance out and smell it. And now I'm just saying that it's a good one. It's more of a oud, dark, heavy scent, sensual, sexy. You already know. It's good. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
And my dear, we're still